Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be doing a quick eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in that color ash brown. Looks like that. And then I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brush. I don't know if it's called that, but it has those numbers. So now first, I'm going to be brushing my hair out to the side. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a little bit of product. Well, you want to make it look as natural as you can. So now I'm gonna be going from the top. You don't want to press all the product in one place at first. You want to kind of like bring it all the way down to the side of your eyebrow. You want to shade that in, brush. It's gonna look a little messy at first, but you can always clean it up. So I'm gonna go in with more product. I'm gonna go from the bottom. Basically, you're outlining your eyebrow. Go back right there because now you're gonna brush. You want to go with as like light product in the front because I notice a lot of girls, they make them look like blocks, and that's not the way to do them, sis. You gotta make them look like a natural fade. And then you can go back and forth and shade it in. Go with a little more. Okay, and you see how that doesn't look natural? You have to brush it up. That's what I like to do towards the front so that the product can go upwards. And you push to the side. This is personally how I do my tutorials. If you guys like how I do them, then follow my steps. But if you don't like them, then sorry, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward through this part because you guys probably think like, oh my god, this bitch is taking forever. But yeah, so I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll come back on camera. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Medium Dark 1 Biscuit Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Looks like that. And then I'm gonna be taking my Morphe M410 brush. Like that. And then I'm gonna be going in with some product. And now you want to outline your eyebrow. Oh, I'm too close. I take my beauty blender and I blend this all the way. Don't worry, it's not gonna look like that forever. Okay. Alright. So now that is my eyebrow tutorial. I'll do a little clip when I'm done with my makeup and show you guys what the eyebrows look once I do like my foundation and I blend everything out. Okay guys, so this is how my eyebrows look with the foundation and everything on. Yeah, you guys don't want to like overarch them. Like, follow your natural brow because that's like the best outcome, but you can do whatever shape you want with your eyebrows, but I personally like this like natural arch. But yeah, make sure that you guys like leave it kind of like faded at the front and then like dark in the back. But yeah, I hope you guys liked my YouTube tutorial on my eyebrows. yeah, if you guys want any more tutorials, let me know and I'll do it for you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.